The Samsung Galaxy A14 is an affordable mid-range smartphone that offers a decent set of features for its price. It comes with a 6.4 inches HD display, a triple camera setup, a powerful battery, and Exynos 3830 processor. In this review, we will take a closer look at this device, evaluate its performance, design, camera, and overall value. Now, let's start with what's in the box. This year, Samsung kept it simple. You only get a USB-C to C cable, a SIM injector tool, and a device. I guess that's bye-bye to charging bricks. But let's get back to the review. For the design, the Galaxy A14 has a sleek modern design that is similar to other Samsung phones. The back of this device is plastic and has a matte feel that makes it stand out. This device is available in 4 colors, which is black, white, light green, and dark red. The front of the device has a 6.4 inches Infinity V display with a water drop notch at the top. The display has an appealing appearance thanks to the little notch that houses the front-facing camera, and the viewing quality is enhanced by the device's tiny bottom and side bezels. The fingerprint scanner is integrated into the power button of this device and is quick and reliable. The Galaxy A14 boasts a basic yet elegant design which is pleasant to handle and has a high-end appearance. For the display, the Galaxy A14 has a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixel. It's protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which provides additional layer of protection against scratches and accidental drops. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is good. However, the resolution could be better as the pixels are visible when reading small text. The display also has a minimum brightness of 480 nits, which is not very bright as it makes it really difficult for you to use this device under sunlight. For the performance, the Galaxy A14 is powered by the Exynos 3830 chipset, which is paired with the 4GB RAM and a 64GB or 128 internal storage. This device also has a micro SD slot, which can be used to expand the storage to 512GB. The performance on the Samsung Galaxy A14 is decent for its price range. The device can handle day-to-day tasks such as web browsing, social media, and light gaming without lag or stutter. However, the device struggles with heavy multitasking and apps take longer to load when there are several running in the background. The device runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.1 OS. The UI is smooth and it's easy to navigate. For the camera, the Galaxy A14 comes with a triple camera setup of 50 megapixel main, 2 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro. The device also has a 13 megapixel front-facing camera which can be useful for selfies and video call. The primary camera of this device is capable of taking decent photos in good lighting. The photos have good details, the colors are accurate, however this camera struggles with low lighting. The ultra-wide sensor on the Galaxy A14 is a nice addition. It allows users to capture more scene with a single shot. However, the quality of the photos taken is nothing to write home about. For the portrait mode, it works really well and photos get good separation between the subject and the background. The front-facing camera on the Galaxy A14 is decent for selfies and videos. Photos have good details and the colors are accurate. As I said earlier, it struggles with low light. My final conclusion on this device, the Galaxy A14 is a good budget phone. It offers a lot of features for this price. The phone has a sleek design, has a big display, has a good camera setup, has a massive battery. However, the phone lags when you scroll a little or when you multitask or game. But then again, maybe it's because I'm used to using high-end devices. Overall, I would say it's a good budget device, has a good battery, has a decent camera, but performance can be better. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this device.